Welcome to Mr. English Channel Academy.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks.
I usually eat breakfast at home.
I love my morning coffee.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I always wash my face first.
Let's go.
We're leaving now.
I don't want to be late.
Don't worry. We have enough time.
I take the bus to work.
The bus comes every 10 minutes. Look at that. It's beautiful today.
The weather is so nice today.
Good morning, everyone.
I have a lot of work today.
Let me explain this to you.
I understand. Thank you.
Could you say that again, please?
Of course. No problem at all.
It's time for a break.
I need something to drink.
What did you have for lunch?
I had a sandwich and some fruit.
That sounds delicious.
I need to finish this report.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, I'd be happy to help.
This word means something important.
I think I get it now.
We have a meeting tomorrow.
Got it. I won't forget.
It's almost 5 o'clock.
Finally! Time to go home.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good evening. I love walking home after work.
I need to buy some groceries. How much does this cost?
What a coincidence. I'm shopping too.
What are you cooking tonight?
I'm making soup and rice.
That sounds great. Enjoy your meal.
I enjoy cooking at home.
I'm so tired after today. I like to read books in the evening.
Dinner is ready. Come and eat.
This smells wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm full.
I'll wash
That
the dishes
was
tonight.
delicious. I practice English every day.
Repeat after me. That's how you learn.
I will try my best.
Practice makes perfect.
I agree. Let's keep going.
You're doing a great job.
Don't give up. Keep practicing.
Listen carefully and repeat.
I hear you. I'm listening.
Your turn. Say it out loud.
Speak loudly and clearly.
I write new words every night.
This is how you improve.
Number 1. Listen. Number 2. Repeat.
Number 3. Practice every day.
You can do it. Believe in yourself. Come back.
For day 2.
We'll be here.
Subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy.
See you next time.